Hey guys, Chris Rangio here for JR Cigars. Most of us are in the full swing of winter. Those cold and chilly nights can feel like forever. So here are some cigars to chill with for a cozy night next to a bonfire and your favorite chocolate candy. First up, we have the outstanding Mil Días Maduro from Crown Heads. The Mil Días Maduro is cloaked in a beautiful Connecticut broadleaf wrapper while having an Ecuadorian Habano binder and Nicaraguan tobaccos for the filler. The combination of these three tobaccos coming together as one leaves for a balanced and refined smoking experience. Some flavor notes you may detect in the Mil Días Maduro are cocoa, leather, roasted nuts, and black coffee. If you have dark chocolate in your house, that would pair perfectly along this beautiful box press cigar. Now our next cigar is so strong that I think if you just start smoking it, it's going to warm you up immediately. Similar to the Crown Heads Mil Días Maduro, Southern Draw Jacob's Ladder has Nicaraguan and Ecuadorian Habano tobaccos within the binder and the filler. The only difference here between the two cigars is that the Southern Draw Jacob's Ladder is sporting a beautiful, dark and oily Pennsylvania broadleaf wrapper. These combinations of tobaccos will give you the nice little kick you might need while smoking outside in some frigid conditions. The perfect pairing for the Southern Draw Jacob's Ladder Toro would be spiced rum and some milk chocolate. Lastly, we have another fuller body cigar for you to enjoy during these winter chill months. The Diesel Disciple Toro is a 6x52 full-bodied gem with a Mexican San Andreas wrapper, Ecuadorian Habano binder, and Nicaraguan fillers. While you're smoking it, you'll get delicious flavor notes of chocolate, espresso, and black pepper. So stay cozy this winter and enjoy one of these three amazing full-bodied cigars next to a fire and some delicious chocolate.